Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us. Okay, it's 2026. Ads already know you. But what if they know you a little too well? This isn't just a clever ad. No, it's a brand new threat, one built specifically for your mind.
Yeah, this digital mind reading has a name. It goes way beyond normal ads to target your vulnerabilities. See, the old ads from the 2020s were clunky. Today's ads, they're basically psychological tools. So, how do they learn your deepest secrets? Well, it's not magic. It's a massive data harvest. Just 1 second in an XR device? That's all it takes for them to grab this much data. They track everything: how you move, what you look at, even your home's layout, all to build a profile.
And it's a 4-step process. This turns your personal data into a key to manipulate your decisions.
So what's the price for this perfect world? It might just be your free will. Let's see how. They can exploit your trust, implant false memories, even engineer social situations to control you. See, it's not about selling you stuff anymore. It's about predicting and shaping your thoughts and actions. And with wearable tech, there's literally no escape from this influence. So, how do you fight back? You can take back control. These simple steps create a really powerful defense against this kind of manipulation. Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like, and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.